Kolomkata khokte bukhuk chong no jotono no lamsogo haino haiti fake nongni bage katal job notification ita khokte bukhuk chong Tripura Public Service Commission Agartala ni bukhakti nongkho katal job notification ko job notification nongkhoma jagao tam tam tong sab apply khlaina thangtini tam tam nang phadi o video sung kaham ke saimalane eta khotai bukhuk chong north tor nuguni tongkhana Tripura Public Service Commission ni bukhakti nongkhomani katal job notification amongka official notification aro tam tam sajaka ke online applications are invited from bona fide citizens of India for recruitment to the 15 you are gangke mane 15 jona ni bagai o jago job notification karikha you are tongo o jago 8 jona SC 3 jona tai ST rok nangke 4 jona ni bagai o jago noro nugini tangkhana post notification nongkhomani post ni bumung gangke food safety officer eta hote bokjong food safety officer ni bagai o jago job notification karijaka group B graduated in the pay band 3 bakhakti noro job no jodi no manghake salary manai 10,230 টাকা ni simi 34,800 jara noro salary mane maro in level 13 grade pay gangke 4,800 টাকা noro oro grade pay bo manai under Health and Family Welfare Department Government of Tripura ni ngene education qualification kok sana thangka tamnaro oro nugunya tongkhana a degree in food technology onoro food technology degree tono nangnai haikaba dairy technology haikaba biotechnology haikaba oil technology haikaba agriculture science and science haikaba veterinary science haikaba chemistry haikaba microbiology haikaba master degree in chemistry haikaba BUMS BSMS MBBS MBA MS BHMS VDS from a recognized university এটা হতে বকজাং নরাw যদি ন kobangma degree ni je kono kaisa degree khlaijak tongkhana noro o job ni bagai eligible hunai ero apply khlaimano gake candidate who have obtained degree in following subject will also be apply agriculture horticulture fisheries community science haikaba home science forestry eta khotai bokso o subject to noro porijak hingka bo noro o job ni bagai apply khlaimano this is an pursuance of the Health and Family Welfare Department eta khotai bokso obo hingka family tai health department ni hoite o jaga job notification karijaka gangke 33% women reserve are the following 33% gangke bari rok ni bagai o jaga reserve tong honinai bo jaga sajaka category hingka tono rok nugini tongkhana you are 8 jona ST 4 jona SC 3 jona total 15 jona ni bagai o jaga job notification karimani engake bari rok ni bagai reserve tongo 3 jona o jaga you are ST ni bagai 2 jona reserve SC ni bagai ekjona bari rok reserve engka total 6 jona bari rok ni bagai o jaga post reserve tongo engka hingke o jaga norok nugni tongkhana the number of posts to be filled up is subject to increase or decrease following requesting of the department other department eta hote bokso obo norok post bari phano mano haikaba kom phano ongi mano hani oro borok sajaka oro tai document rok tam tam nang gangke permanent resident of Tripura certificate nangnai PRTC is mandatory o jaga permanent resident certificate PRTC hingke jeske pano noro o jaga rana nangnai no to apply for the post of food safety officer ni bagai norok jodi no o job no apply khlaina thangka norni permanent resident certificate tongna nangnai age limit ni kok sana thangka to 18 বছর ni simi 40 বছর jora noro o job no apply khlaimano gagai last date hingke 18 তারিখ 9 মাস 2024 ni tarik ni 5টা 30 tampro noro o job no asuk jora noro o job no apply khlaimano hingke no o jaga hai sajaka upper age limit hingke 5 বছর SC ST rok ni bagai tai physical handicap rokni bagui 5 bosor bo age relaxation rwjakha. Hingke hingke norok ni bagui tini bagui aswkno swtwng takutui bukhukchang norokno jotono no hambai.